Philadelphia 7.
Pittsburgh? What?
Phillipsburg?
New York City.
You see all the big giant airplanes, buddy?
Las Vegas?
Yeah.
Where the heck is Jersey? We ain't there.
We're clean.
New York got like 8 places up here on this list. They got New York, Buffalo, New York, Albany, New York, Burlington, New York, Rochester, New York, and Syracuse.
I actually think the Bills are going to beat the Texans today, bro. I think the Bills will upset the Texans today. Hey.
Is that pretty cool, buddy?
Where the heck is the plane landing?
You'll see.
Probably already landed.
And look, FedEx is right there with their own FedEx plane.
UPS is better.
Where UPS at in their plane.
Why are you hitting me, bro? I didn't say anything bad.
They're both good. Where's the plane landing?
It already landed.
I know, but other planes. I just threw up in myself, ew. And it was really disgusting. Oh my god.
You threw up in yourself or threw up on yourself?
In myself.
It don't even look like your car about to survive the island.
I did not mean to put what I put, but it just looks so cool. I meant to put 3 double heads.